slowly come along ethical.
State President of the National People's Youth Front NPYF Kit Borlang Nongrem on Monday came down heavily on the Voice of the People's Party VPP for terming poor people that seek help from the MLAs as beggars. Nongrem made the statement after he was recently accused by the spokesperson of the VPP Batscam Mirbo.
Keluarga jingken no jong utei u nongelam nalan uno aiktin jong ka VPP banga yalam ya ka jinggot jong berkat jong ipai ba lan man penjabo ya ka jinggot jong ipai berkat jong ipai ba tangkum kita kinong rabul na ka ying jong ki MLA lane nga penhiare ka kerdan jong ki MLA tangkum kita kinong le isne ngadon ban ongkum ni ba imat une unong aiktin jong VPP 4 Julai isne ya ki pai ba badog basuk menu na kata-kata nga imat ba sutu ya ka dor jong ka jingle isne ya ki para breu.
And now the